Thukuru-ini wa AIRITU wa LIMURU Girls ni umwe wa mathukuru maria mekite wega kigeranio-ini kia mwaka uyu ukiandikithia mean score ya kenda kuria gicunjĩ kia 96 harĩ igana kia arutwo kiranyitire marks cia kuingira university. Uguo ari kuga arutwo aria marakinyitie grade ya C+ guthie na iguru.
Twanyita A14, twanyita A-56, twanyita B+ igana rĩa 18, twanyita B igana rĩa 39, twanyita B- igana rĩa 11, twanyita C+ 41, twanyita C* 17.
Kaunti-ini ya Nyeri thukuru wa IMWANA wa KAGUMO waiteka kwamũkĩra ũkũngũĩri kũrĩa thukuru ũyũ wandĩkithĩtie mean score ya 9.99. Arutwo 75 makinyita grade ya A, gũkũ angĩ igana rĩa 49 makinyita grade ya A-.
Our teachers who are so dedicated and hardworking, our students who are focused, visionary, and they did what we told them, and that obedience translated to result.
It feels great knowing that I've passed so well. You know, being among the top 1,000 in Kenya is not sea jokes.
And I've seen 3 of my weak boys that I thought they have made it to get 3 of them B+.
Nakuo thukuru-ini wa AIRITU wa Bishop GATIMU Girls oguo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri arutwo na arutani maitĩka ũkũngũĩri-inĩ kũrĩa arutwo 11 megĩrĩire grade ya A na wangĩ 70 makinyita grade ya A-.
The first one had an A of 84. We were able to have 70 A-, 104 B+.
I attained an A- in my KCSE, and yeah, I'm very happy about it. I'm on cloud 9. I would like to thank God for my results. I'd like to thank my parents, my family for the support that they've given me over the years.
Gũkũ kaunti-ini ya Nairobi thukuru wa Light Academy wa Shangarara ukiandĩkithia gĩcunjĩ kia 99 harĩ igana harĩ arutwo arĩa makinyĩtie grade ya C+ ya kuingira university, kuria no arutwo erĩ tu harĩ arutwo igana rĩa 50 matanakinyia grade ya guthie university.
We have a mean of a B+ in English, and we are just grateful. I mean, we are overwhelmed and we thank God.
It was a year full of a lot of sacrifice, a lot of discipline. We had to stay focused, and we truly believed in ourselves.
We take this opportunity to thank the teachers, the support staff of this school, and everyone who came through.
Have been trying our best to do our best in the field of education, and today we all came together here to celebrate. Today our success. Today is a day of proud, day of historic day, because we all have been now witnessing that once again we made our dreams come true.
Naguo thukuru wa Sunshine gũkũ Nairobi ndũnatigĩrĩrwo harĩ kwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra mega. Mũrutani mũnene wa thukuru ũyũ akĩgiritania maumĩrĩra maya na ũrũngĩrĩru wa mĩtugo hamwe na ũrutani mũkinyanĩru.
There were 218 students in total, and out of these we had 8 A-planes, 28 A-. We had 33 B+, 43 B-plane, 50 B-, 33 C+, C-plane was 17, and C- was 6.
I scored an A of 82 out of 84. I'm really happy by the results and very pleased and thankful that God has worked his way through.
Kaunti-ini ya Embu thukuru wa All Saints waingira itari-ini ria thukuru iria ciũkĩrĩirie na njĩra nene mũno makĩria harĩ gĩcigo gĩkĩ kũrĩa arutani matarĩirie atĩ moimĩrĩra maya nĩ kumana na ũrongereru wa mĩtugo na wĩrutanĩria wa arutwo ũndũ ũmwe na arutani.
I attribute these wonderful results to their resilience, their hard work, and much as we are celebrating the good academic results, we are also a powerhouse in sports. As you know, we are East African champions in rugby, and we are hoping also to retain the cup this particular year. We are taking very many students to the university. Over 10 students are joining university, and very many others that are going to join other tertiary institutions, and we are very proud of them.
We have improved because as compared the results with those for last year, we have increased the number of those that are joining the university through a parallel way.
Ogoko kaunti-ini ya Embu, thukuru wa airitu wa Kangaru naguo andikithia moimirira mega kuri arutwo 232 manyitite grade ya guthie university, thukuru yo kiandikithia minsco ya pointi 7.2.
I am speechless about it, but I can say that I am exhilarated.
We have recorded an improvement from 7.2 to 7.38. We thank God for this achievement. It was God's doing.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, thukuru wa Pioneer oringi wonanicio kaciaguo kimathomo ukiingira iterini ria mathukuru maria ng'u na maria mekite wega, aciari, arutani na arutwo makinyitanira gukunguira uhotani uyu.
We've been able to about 12 of our students who are taking pilots, they've also been able to graduate. They have been able to get private pilot license.
I also like to thank my parents, my dad, mom, my brother Edward at home, my other relatives, the administration, the teachers.
I would like to pursue a degree in computer science and hopefully one day become a software engineer.
Hadi Nyakame TV, Letora Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.